Fit check. Listen, I'm matching shades, okay? We're doing blue. We've done the blue. I feel good about the blue. Even my socks are some kind of blue. Light blue at that. We've gone with pastels today. I'm feeling Easter, okay? Cool. And listen to me, if any fucking one of you says anything about the cellulite right there, I'm 46. I get to be as cellulitical as I want to. I don't even know if that's a word, but look at that, man. Look at all these packages. I don't even know. Some of these are, I've completely forgotten. You know, there's a hand massager and some edamame in there. But this one, this is the one I'm excited about. This is earrings. I need a scissor or something. The table's only there to hide the cellulite. Anyway, my son is coming. My back is still a little weird and fucked up, but it's doing better, which means I can like set up camp, I can walk around, I can set up Starlink, I can set up the table, like I can do things. I can cook. For like a week there, I wasn't even able to do any of that. I couldn't even turn the fan on. It was bad. The first thing I want to do is open these earrings. Oh my God, I'm so fucking excited. I'm afraid to open them. I'm just gonna cut it across the top. Oh, it says, thank you, Bunny, for your support. With love, Callista. She's amazing. Ooh, look at, okay. We have a little tiny baggie of magic. Oh my God, they're absolutely beautiful. I think there's stickers in here. What? Pretty stickers! Oh, look at these. Oh my God, they're so pretty. I think these are the Sodalite earrings. Oh my God. I will show you guys these in a minute. They're absolutely gorgeous. These are fucking fairy wings. Iridescent fucking fairy wings. Excuse me, what? Okay, yes. Yes, please. I'm so excited. I need to get more stuff from Callista because literally everything, if you go to her Etsy, everything on her site is desirable. Everything is covetable. Everything is fucking adorable. She's got gummy bear earrings, fairy wings, mushroom earrings. Are my fingers stained from cherries? You're damn right, because I saw a farm stand on the way here. I have ADD, so just calm down. All right, we're also gonna open this one. I don't even know what these are, you guys. Oh, okay. I forget. I know there's edamame, a hand massager, and something else, but I can't remember. Oh, here's the edamame. Something I have to do a TikTok shop ad for. I was like suggesting, all these things were suggested to me to ask for free samples, and I was like, you bet, I like food. My cellulite can prove it. Okay, so these are 11 grams of protein each. Like perfect hiking snack. And there's different flavors. Okay, so sea salt, sriracha, and buffalo. Thank God they did not send me wasabi. I'm not a wasabi fan, and I've seen those flavors, and I'm like, absolutely not. Wasabi makes me think of, I can't remember, they were on MTV. I can't remember, they used to do stunts and stuff. Bam, bam, bam. Anyway, I can't do wasabi, but these flavors I'm super excited for, so I'm gonna have to do a thing on TikTok for these because I'm gonna eat the fuck out of these. I've already had edamame a million times. I fucking love it, especially the dried ones. They're like the perfect high protein snack, but I've never had sriracha and buffalo flavor. The sea salt I have, so I already knew I was gonna love it. Okay, let's open the second one. Sparrow's watching me like, who are you talking to, Mom? Here it is. This is a hand massager. I do have to charge it before I use it. Here it is. My son and I, when he was young, I used to give him hand massages and he would give them back to me. We would sit there for hours, like while we were watching a movie. Can't wait for my son to try this too. So this is soft all the way around. I thought it was gonna be hard. It's rechargeable, so it's perfect for van life. It charges via a USB-C cord, which is right here, and there's a little port right here. And these look like little suction cups, so you can keep it like sucked down to something. I don't know, I'd suck it to the edge of the van, I don't know. Very excited for this. Okay, next. It's got some like Chinese or Cambodian or Taiwanese, I don't know. Does anyone know what that, it's probably upside down, I don't know. Hi Sparrow, how are you? What are you doing? Hi baby, what are you doing, huh? Oh my God, isn't he just the most, you can't see him, but he's the most beautiful thing in the world. Come here, baby, come here. Oh my God, I just love you so much. What are you doing? He's happy because your girl had a temper tantrum with the Starlink when we first got here because it wasn't working. You know, like you do. And I was crying and screaming, fists on the ground, kicking legs, the whole nine. I called God some expletive words, you know. And then it started working magically out of the blue for no reason. I don't know. Okay, this is another dash cam. This is crazy. Pretty sure this is the roof mounted one. Hardwire kit. Sparrow's got his ball. Maybe not. No, this is not. I don't know what this is. We're gonna have to look into this. I thought they were gonna give me the roof mounted one. I already have a dash cam. I have to do a video on that. It's by Viofo. I really like it, but I have to remount it into a better position because I cannot touch the buttons from the driver's seat and I don't have a passenger seat. That's the only thing. So it was my bad for setting it up wrong. Like, I'm glad I showed it to you, but it's from 77 Omai or 70 Mai. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. We'll figure it out. Don't worry. We always figure it out, don't we? After we have a temper tantrum. And then this. I have no idea what this is. Oh, what? Wait a minute. What? This is also from 70 Omai. This is part of the dash cam. What? I'm confused. It is a battery pack for the dash cam. I love that. That means that like when your thing isn't on, when your van isn't on. No, this is awesome. This is a huge battery, just like the Viofo one. That one I had to install by drilling a hole into my license plate housing. That's a whole nother story. Okay, let me show you the close-ups. This is the Med Cursor. Med Cursor, this is it. It's really soft all the way around. It's got little, I can't wait to try this. I have to charge it though. And then this is like stuff that goes with it. This is the edamame beans, sea salt, sriracha, and buffalo. And I'm not going to open it, but this is the 70 Mai dash cam set. I'm very excited to try this. Because the other one only plugs into my, look at this cherry fingers. It only plugs into my dash, cigarette lighter. So I'm really happy to have something that has auxiliary power. These, let me show you these. Oh my God, they're beautiful. Look at how pretty they are. As soon as I wear them, I'm going to show you guys, but oh my God, they're gorgeous. These, I'm stoked. I can't wait to try those. Don't look at my dirty hands. Whatever, shut up. See that little, let me see if I can get it. The little design on the silver thing on the bottom right there. My son just got a tattoo that's very similar to that. So I think it's a sign. Okay, so that is my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now I have to clean up this mess. We have successfully cleaned it up. I've got the buffalo edamame. I know the lighting in here is not the greatest. Hold on. Oh, these are the buffalo crunchy roasted edamame buffalo flavor. I'm not a big fan of buffalo. Like, I don't ever get buffalo wings. Sparrow's drinking water. That's what you're hearing. No, I'm not peeing. 11 grams of protein, 3 grams net carbs, 122 calories. And then I've got sriracha. Sriracha. Let me see. These I'm going to love. Where are my scissors? Snip, snip. Straight across the top. This is what they look like. They're pretty beanie. All right, here we go. That's a better. That, I know my fingers are stained from cherries. But that's what they look like. No, wait. They're not really buffalo-y. More spicy. Oh, yeah. I'm going to tear these up. I have 24 packs of these to go through. Do you think they're going to last long, or am I just going to eat them? Probably going to eat them like crazy. Now we got to try the sriracha. These are the same. 117 calories, 3 grams net carbs, 11 grams of protein. Sriracha. This is what they look like. Cherry stained fingers. Oh. He just ate dinner. That's why he burped. He's not going to eat it. Are you eating it? He ate it. Sparrow approved. This is amazing, okay? What? It's got a heating element to it. Listen to the magic. Do you hear it? Inflating and poofing. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's good. Huh. This wrist cuff inflates, so it like squeezes your wrist. Oh my God. 6 modes. It's got 2 heat settings. It's got a timer. And then it's got 6 levels of intensity. I am already hooked. Look at how perfect these earrings are. Look at how perfectly, perfectly beautiful they are. I'm trying to get them to come into focus. Ah, they're so cute. I love them. Look at the way they sparkle. I'm trying to do it with light behind it, but I don't want to blind you guys at the same time, but they're absolutely gorgeous and I freaking love them.